always know exactly how I'm going to do it, and I don't always know my next play. As the guy who took over as your Multnomah County chair a few months after a guy named James Chassie was killed on the streets of our city. And that actually defined the entirety of my time as the Multnomah County chair. And it's something I still think about a lot today, because I was the guy who actually had to sign the check for over $900,000 and give it to the family of James Chassie. That probably had more of an impact on me as an elected official than anything else I've done since. Shortly before that, the mental health system in the city of Portland collapsed in Multnomah County. We had one large provider that provided 80% of our mental health delivery, and I was called at 11:30 at night and told their bank accounts would be swept at 8 o'clock the next morning. Good luck. And it is still a truth today that we do not have, despite all of the good efforts, and despite all of the good people, and despite all of the good organizations, we do not have a robust mental health delivery system in this community. And what's happening nationally is a national disgrace. A lot of the people on the streets today are there in part because they have to live with the implications of mental health. And there's a lot of people who, we just talked about drug and alcohol addiction. Sometimes that's a cover for deeper issues around mental health. And we haven't really peeled the onion as fully as we can. So I don't always know exactly how I'm going to do it, and I don't always know my next play. But just trust me when I say I am really committed to seeing this through. I support a Home for Everyone. I support the Home Forward Coalition. But I don't always just in lockstep assume that they've landed on exactly the right answer. I don't think they've landed on the right answer with regard to long-term permitting of tent camps. That's just me personally.